Welcome back to our kitchen. Dito lang yan sa daily recipe ng ating panadera. For today's recipe, we're gonna make a mango yummy graham. Of course, we need mango, ripe mango. Then our cream cheese and condensed milk at ang ating graham cracker. So, we start our mango. We get the big one. And we have the 3 on the jar. So, let's have it. Sarap! And before we start, please subscribe our channel and press the notification bell for our next recipe so you are always notified for every recipe that we have. We need a bowl and our cream cheese. Our recipe for today, we just need 2.5 pack of cream cheese, put in the bowl, and 1 can of condensed milk. Just mix it together until all combined. Here you go. Okay, now we're gonna use handy mixer. So we're gonna mix this one. We're gonna add condensed for it. Ooh, yummy. Good for dessert. Yeah, yum, yum. And we have a graham crackers. I like graham crackers for my graham recipe. And this is gonna be the ultimate dessert we ever have it. Open it and place in the bowl. This graham, I'm gonna use a jar because it's kinda handy and it's kinda graham to go. Here we are now for the next steps. We have to mash our graham cracker. I use this rock masher. It's kinda cool, it's handy. But whenever you want, you can smash it or not. But some of those are just use the whole graham. And after you're mashing a graham, you just spray some water on it so it's kind of like wet. On your cute bowl, bring some there you go. Then our graham cracker. Then our cream cheese. What we do for now is gonna make a layer of graham cracker, cream cheese, and mango. It's kinda cool, it's nice, and after this you have to cool it. Yay! And of course, our mango. And it's so cute. My God, cute, cute, cute. So sarap. You have to try this recipe. It's so yum.